Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from A-Team HQ and they're looking for a business process flowcharts admin to work from home. It pays $18 to $20 an hour. And he says, what are the major results or outcomes to be accomplished by the person on this job? You're going to create accurate and standard flowchart files within 1 to 3 business days of receiving data. Write up accurate process, interviews, and standard forms and notations with 1 to 3 business days of receiving data. Send completed documents to requester within 1 to 3 days or by deadline. Identify and correct documents when they don't follow standards and forms or ask clarification. Update work status accurately daily in the trackers. What are the most frequent and most essential work activities of this job? Flowcharts. Copy and paste flowcharts from old format to standard format in Excel. Follow instructions and establish standards and form to draw flowcharts in Excel. Listen to recordings of meetings to take detailed notes to update flowcharts. Work with other team members to document new flowchart standards and procedures as needed. Ask and answer questions from team members by chat or email. Coordinate schedule with managers and project admins for deadlines and open action items in chat or email. Follow up and act on open action items. Notify internal teams whenever delays in work schedule could miss deadlines. Save updated files, notes, and recordings to appropriate folders in shell file. Document process interviews. Listen to recordings of meetings to take detailed notes of how process is performed. Follow instructions and establish standards and forms to write notes in Excel form. Write up names of reports or documents shown in meeting into Excel form. Work with other team members to update documentation standards and procedures as needed. Ask and answer questions from client or team members by chat or email. Coordinate schedule with managers and project admins for deadlines and open action items in chat or email. Follow up and act on open action items. Notify internal teams and or clients whenever delays in work schedule could miss deadlines. Save updated files, notes, and recordings to appropriate folder in share file. You will be trained on 3 of these processes: financial statement closing reporting, fixed assets, inventory, HR new hire, termination and pay changes, payroll processing, accounts payable, vendor invoice payments, customer invoicing and accounts receivable, stock option, employee equity administration. What team members and how many are supervised managed by the person in this job? None. What are the primary people contacts on this job and with whom, what purpose, and how often? Project admins coordinate files to send to clients daily. Client service teams review flowchart team files daily. Flowchart team work together for deliverables daily. Support team review documents weekly. IT help desk troubleshooting technology questions as needed. What is the dress code? What is the dress code? You will need to be on camera all day and in meetings and need to be professional and visible. So acceptable will be business casual wear such as colored shirts, polo shirt, button-down shirt, blouse, sports and suits jacket, and jacket for business. Not acceptable, tank tops, t-shirts, see-through, low-cut, sweatshirts, athletic tops, hoodies, beachwear, sleepwear, and pajamas. What are some of the behavioral traits and attitudes and skills that are required? Resourcefulness, organization, work ethic, clear communication, teamwork, attention to detail, proactiveness, effective, culture, and mission fit. What are the prerequisites for this job? Excel skills, intermediate required, reliable and consistent in internet access required, ability to work with several clients at a time required, ability to work with diverse global team from all cultures required, ability to work remotely and be accountable with your time required, understand that needs change, be adaptable required, and ability to work extended hours for client needs occasionally required. What are the toughest parts of the job on a day-to-day basis? Juggling competing deadlines on a short notice daily and weekly, adapting to changing priorities daily, being able to understand business processes at a high level, taking verbal communication and documenting it into the appropriate business process flow, team needing your immediate attention, possible conflict with other teams/client deadline, resilient to learn new procedures without getting flustered, relying on additional resources when your systems aren't working. What are the compensations and benefits? The rate is 18 to 20 an hour, and it is full-time. They work in a PST zone, so while the hours have some flexibility, it is important to be available for any required meetings that may be outside of your normal shift time, due to some clients being in a different time zones. As for numbers of hours, the range could be 40 to 50 per week depending on the client's deadlines. Example range 7 a.m. PST to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which will be 10 a.m. EST or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Breaks are included. So if you want to apply for this particular position, I'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not the job for you, don't worry. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new job lead. And we post 5 to 7 job leads every single day, so you have the best chance to find the perfect one for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.